So what I'm going to teach you today is how to load wire into your new Fronius equipment. So in the wire feeder, you will see the red drive wheel, which to Fronius determines this is an 045, 047 millimeter wheel, which we use for steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. So with them open, I just double check that my tension is between 0.5 and 1.5 for 4043 aluminum. Now I will cut my wire and start feeding it through. So once I'm fed through, I will close them both down, latch it, close my lid, and I'm ready to run it to the torch. So either on the side of the feeder or the faceplate or the torch itself, we can wire jog. So now with the wire loaded into the feeder, we can come over to the torch, flip this lid, open here, and just verify that our drive wheels also show red, letting us know they are 045, 047. There is a pressure guide here, and it says for 4043, the tension should be between 1 and 2, which you can see on the indicator here it is. If it was not, you just pull and turn to make that adjustment. Lock it in, close your lid, and now I can feed the wire to the torch. So now that you have the wire ran through, we will reinstall the contact tip. Taking our pliers and just making sure it's tight. And then we will install the gas nozzle. Trim your excess. And we're done.